sharing some eco-friendly laundry tips. I found laundry sheets a few years back and I'm really digging them. One of the reasons is because it's less plastic to be recycled since there's no large plastic jug. The laundry sheet goes into the washing machine, washes the laundry, and then the cardboard box can be recycled. So I find that easier for me because there's less to recycle and there's less space taking up my laundry area. The little laundry box can go in my bag hanging on the closet by my washing machine, and the little strips are already pre-cut, so my kids and my husband know, okay, one strip for this load of laundry or half a strip. It makes it so much easier for all of us. And wool dryer balls must have for eco-friendly laundry. They are so much better, in my opinion, than fabric sheets. They save me money. I can have the same wool dryer balls for years and years and years, so I'm not constantly having to buy fabric softener sheets. And they're better for your washing machine and your clothes. And you can even sprinkle a couple drops of lavender essential oil on your wool dryer ball if you want it to smell even nicer in the dryer. So those are a couple tips for eco-friendly laundry, and drop some tips and tricks on how you like to wash your clothes. And I'll post the links down below to other videos explaining the hazards of laundry sheets and the hazards of toxic fabric softener. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.